Di kaya takot lang sa mga ebidensya, kaya ayaw sagutin.
Well, it's hard to speculate, no? But Christian, sometimes things become so obvious, no? Kasi this is the second time already, no? In spite of the seeming readiness of the vice president to answer the allegations, mukhang dinadaan lagi tayo sa issues of technicality, even when there is no technical issue, pinipilit nilang mag-insinuate ng technical issues just to do away with the impeachment process, no? At siyempre, tayo naman sa Justice Committee, because we are aware of the diligence and the caution that we've been exercising since day one of our impeachment proceedings, we feel sad na bakit ganito? Why not instead answer the allegations para to realize the mandate of accountability. After all, ito ang mandato ng saligang batas eh. Ang sabi sa atin, public office is a public trust. Public officials must be accountable to the people at all times.